The Chevrolet Traverse has been riding a wave of crossover success since it launched in 2008. Over the last 15 years, the Traverse has become a staple for Chevy with over 1.65 million rolling out of its factory. Well, for 2024, the Traverse is getting a serious update with fresh styling, a new powertrain, and a massive interior update. Chevrolet is dropping the 310-horsepower 3.6-liter V6 and replacing it with a 2.5-liter turbocharged i4. While General Motors hasn't released official numbers yet, the company estimates it'll make 315 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. That's a slight bump in peak power, but will be a significant bump in torque compared to the V6 266 pound-feet. The standard engine mates to an 8-speed automatic transmission. From there, the power can hit the front wheels or run through an all-wheel drive system. If you want to get the more capable dual-clutch all-wheel drive system, you'll have to check the box for the Z71 variant. That's right. Chevrolet is expanding its Z71 off-road badging to a 3-row crossover. In addition to all-wheel drive, this Z71 Traverse gets more ground clearance from revised suspension and some off-road electronics. The Traverse Z71 gets a terrain mode and hill descent control to help manage off-pavement maneuvers. The revised suspension works with all-terrain tires to give the Traverse an extra inch of ground clearance to keep the underbody away from obstacles. The automaker doesn't mention underbody protection for the Traverse Z71, so maybe keep this one off the Rubicon Trail for now. Joining the new engine and trim is a totally new interior. Like the rest of the new GM lineup, the Traverse gets a massive pair of screens that handle the media and instrumentation. The 11-inch digital instrument cluster is dwarfed by the 17.7-inch touchscreen media controller. This screen pairing is the obvious focal point of the new interior, but it isn't the only new addition to the 24 Traverse. It also gets a column-mounted shifter, a pass-through center console, and an array of seating options to accommodate 7 or 8 occupants. That means your second row can come with a bench or a pair of captain's chairs, depending on how much space you think you'll need. This new Traverse comes with the expected suite of active safety and creature comfort aids, such as automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist with departure warning, and intelligent high beams as standard equipment. You can also add Super Cruise to your new Traverse, and it's available on all but the most basic trim levels. Chevrolet hasn't mentioned the price, but does note the 2024 Traverse will start hitting local lots early next year. While pricing is still to be determined, we're expecting a bump over the current Chevrolet Traverse's starting price of $35,915. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and we hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. What do you think of the 2024 Traverse? Leave a comment below with your thoughts and feedback. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.